If you want more people to actually submit your forms, not just visit them, then A/B testing is the fastest and most effective way to get more responses, without guessing what works. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to A/B test your forms step by step, using the software we'll be working with, and I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial linked in the description. That link is only available for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along and start optimizing right away. Now here's the key. Most people throw up a form and hope for the best, but the truth is even tiny tweaks, like changing one word in your call to action, can lead to massive improvements. We're going to set up a simple test in under 5 minutes. You'll be able to test things like your form title, button copy, number of fields, layout, and even colors. First, sign into the software we'll be using. Again, that free trial link is in the description if you don't already have access. Once you're inside, go to the form section and choose the one you want to test. Now duplicate your original form. This is now version B. You'll make a single change on this version, just one. That might be changing submit to get my free quote, or removing an optional field to reduce friction. The golden rule here, only test one change at a time. That's how you know what's actually making a difference. Next, you'll set up a split test. The software makes this simple. Just click A/B test, select both versions and let it randomly show version A to 50% of your traffic and version B to the other 50%. Now you wait, but not for long. Depending on your traffic, within a few days or weeks, you'll start seeing data. Conversion rate, bounce rate, completion time. The key stat to watch is form submission rate. Whichever version gets more completions, wins. If version B performs better, it becomes your new control. Then you can duplicate that version and test something else. This creates a cycle of continuous improvement that compounds over time. Also, quick tip, test your forms on both desktop and mobile. What works on a laptop might tank your conversions on a phone. Here's your key takeaway. A/B testing your forms isn't about making big changes, it's about making smart ones. And you'll never know what's working unless you test. The most successful marketers aren't guessing, they're testing everything one change at a time. Quick recap. 1. Pick your form and duplicate it. 2. Make one change in the B version. 3. Set up the A/B test and split the traffic. 4. Track the results. Look at submission rates. 5. Repeat with a new variation based on the winner. If you're serious about getting more responses from your forms, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the fastest way to get started without committing to anything upfront. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.